Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Best Woodworking, simple double-sided wood splitter. A compact double-sided wood splitter powered by a 5.5 kilowatts electric motor or petrol engine. Utilizes a gearbox from the TSN 00155 manure harvester, providing efficiency and reliability for heavy-duty splitting. Wood splitter, new video. Check out this fantastic new video showcasing a homemade wood splitter. Built by UC Isto, this machine is designed for efficiency, easily cutting firewood into a variety of sizes. The video highlights its robust design, making it a great solution for anyone needing to process large amounts of firewood quickly and effectively. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking for inspiration on building their own splitter. Watch the full demonstration now and see how well it handles tough splitting tasks. Wood chopping axe for the elderly. A wood chopping device is essential for elderly farmers, making the task much easier than using a traditional axe or knife. This practical tool simplifies the wood cutting process, making it safer and more manageable for those with limited strength. Made from scrap metal, it's easy to construct, proving to be a cost-effective and helpful addition to any farm, particularly for older individuals who need a reliable and simple method to chop firewood. Homemade wood splitter 24-way wedge. Imagine the raw power of a vintage-inspired firewood splitting machine, engineered for speed and efficiency. Picture a homemade wood splitter with a 24-way wedge, effortlessly turning thick logs into perfectly split firewood in seconds. This machine is not just a tool, it's a powerhouse of productivity that combines the best of old-world durability with modern ingenuity. Designed for those who value self-sufficiency and craftsmanship, this splitter features a robust build, mimicking the rugged reliability of vintage machinery. The 24-way wedge is the star, slicing through logs like a hot knife through butter, reducing the effort needed for what would otherwise be a back-breaking task. Whether you're preparing firewood for a cold winter or stocking up for a cozy cabin retreat, this machine will get the job done faster than ever before. What makes it truly wonderful is its homemade quality. Crafted with precision and care, it stands as a testament to the DIY spirit. Imagine spending less time splitting and more time enjoying the warmth of a roaring fire. The powerful, fastest vintage firewood splitting machine is more than just a tool, it's a marvel of craftsmanship and efficiency. The hurdle machine works vertical edger is designed to enhance productivity and precision in sawmill operations. Paired with a 3-headblock hurdle sawmill, this combination streamlines the process of cutting logs, maximizing yield with efficient edging capabilities. The vertical edger allows for clean, accurate cuts, improving both the speed and quality of lumber production. Built for durability and ease of use, this equipment is a trusted choice for high-performance milling, making it ideal for businesses looking to optimize their sawmill operations. The Groenvelt Lumberjack LJ450 tree shear is a powerful and versatile tool designed to simplify the complex task of tree felling, particularly in urban areas or during forest thinning projects. Precision is key when it comes to managing trees in environments where safety, efficiency, and control are paramount, and the LJ450 excels in providing just that. Tree removal in cities or densely populated areas presents unique challenges. You need to ensure that the tree is cut and guided to a safe zone without causing damage to surrounding structures, power lines, or other trees. The Lumberjack LJ450 is engineered to perform this delicate operation seamlessly. With its robust and sharp tree shear, it clips trees quickly and safely, allowing the operator to precisely control the fall and positioning of each tree, reducing the risk of accidents or property damage. One of the standout features of the LJ450 is its multifunctionality. With just one machine, you can perform the crucial steps of felling, sorting, and managing logs. The shear's gripping arm holds the tree firmly in place once cut, allowing for easy movement and placement in designated areas. This not only enhances safety but also improves operational efficiency, as there's no need for additional equipment to handle the logs. The LJ450's strong hydraulic system gives operators full control, enabling them to maneuver even large trees with precision. Beyond urban tree felling, the Lumberjack LJ450 is also ideal for forest thinning operations. In these environments, selective tree cutting is essential to maintain ecological balance and promote healthy forest growth. The LJ450 allows for rapid and controlled thinning, ensuring that trees are removed efficiently without causing harm to the surrounding ecosystem. After cutting, logs can be quickly sorted for transport or processed for further use, including shredding for mulch or biomass. In conclusion, the Groenvelt Lumberjack LJ450 tree shear is an essential tool for anyone involved in tree management, whether in urban settings or forestry. Its ability to combine multiple functions into one machine, cutting, sorting, and log management, makes it not only convenient but also a cost-effective solution. With the LJ450, trees are pruned with precision, safety, and efficiency, ensuring optimal results in every job. The GreenTech 952 Mega Leaf and Branch Crusher, a powerful yet eco-friendly solution for all your shredding needs. Designed for efficiency, it operates at low motor speeds, reducing both noise and fuel consumption, making it an environmentally conscious choice. The 520 by 1060 input-output chopper ensures consistent, uniform chips with minimal dust, perfect for handling leaves and branches with ease. With its quiet operation and energy-efficient performance, the GreenTech 952 is ideal for any job requiring effective waste management. Whether you're maintaining a garden or managing large-scale landscaping projects, this crusher delivers outstanding results every time. The all-new Maho Slicer Dicer, a cutting-edge machine designed to revolutionize your food preparation process. With its 800mm wide blade, this powerful tool ensures precision slicing every time, handling large volumes with ease and efficiency. But that's not all. The slicer dicer is equipped with 4 smaller blades dedicated to dicing, making it the ultimate solution for kitchens that demand speed without compromising quality. Whether you're dealing with fruits, vegetables, or other produce, the Maho Slicer Dicer delivers consistent results in a fraction of the time. The robust design is ideal for high-output environments, from busy restaurants to industrial food processing plants. Built with safety and ease of use in mind, the machine ensures both your productivity and peace of mind. Say goodbye to tedious manual chopping and embrace a more efficient way of preparing food. With the Maho Slicer Dicer, you'll save time, reduce labor, and ensure uniformity in every slice and dice. Step up your slicing game today. Mobile firewood preparation with the SpaltFix K-Vario saw splitting machine by Posh Leibniz. The SpaltFix K-Vario from Posh is the ultimate mobile solution for firewood preparation. Designed to streamline the process of sawing and splitting logs with remarkable efficiency, whether you're working in remote locations or at your main site, this machine ensures top performance and adaptability, accommodating logs up to 65 centimeters in diameter. One of the key features of the SpaltFix K-Vario is its adjustable log edge length, ranging from 5 to 15 centimeters, making it versatile for producing custom-sized firewood. This is an excellent advantage for those who require precision and flexibility in their operations. Additionally, it offers various drive options, including PTO, power takeoff, diesel engines, or electric motors, providing the flexibility to choose the energy source that best suits your work environment. Equipped with a feed table and both longitudinal and cross-log conveyors, the SpaltFix ensures smooth, continuous operation, reducing manual labor and boosting productivity. Whether you're feeding logs manually or with a crane, this machine integrates effortlessly into any workflow. The SpaltFix is designed for mobility, allowing easy transport with a tractor or mounted on a road chassis, making it the perfect companion for those who need to move from site to site. With POSCH's commitment to durability and innovation, the SpaltFix K-Vario saw splitting machine offers a powerful, efficient, and mobile solution for professional firewood preparation. The Petzolato TB900 is a robust and highly efficient firewood processor designed specifically for producing kindling logs and firelighters. With an electric engine boasting 22 kilowatts of power, this automatic vertical log splitter offers consistent and reliable performance, ideal for heavy-duty wood processing tasks. The TB900 operates at an impressive rate of 10 work cycles per minute, ensuring rapid processing without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of the TB900 is its immense splitting force of 40 tons, which makes quick work of even the most challenging logs. This machine can handle logs with a maximum diameter of up to 1,000 millimeters, offering flexibility for a wide range of wood sizes and types. The design of the machine ensures precision splitting, creating evenly sized kindling logs perfect for firewood or firelighter production. The Petzolato TB900 combines powerful mechanics with the efficiency of electric operation, minimizing environmental impact while maximizing output. Its automated processes reduce manual labor, allowing operators to focus on other tasks while the machine efficiently handles the wood. This log splitter is ideal for businesses or individuals looking to produce high volumes of kindling logs or firelighters with minimal effort and maximum productivity. Carving the Trevilla Eagle, a masterpiece in chainsaw art by Paul Wacklow. Paul Wacklow's chainsaw carving of a majestic eagle in flight captures the raw power and grace of this magnificent bird. The 42-inch tall, 17-inch wide sculpture crafted from Maine's beautiful eastern white pine is almost life-sized, showcasing the eagle with its wings spread in a breathtaking moment of action. Each cut of the chainsaw, expertly controlled, shapes the feathers and fierce expression, imbuing the wood with life and movement. This is Paul's second bald eagle carving, and its impressive size coupled with the intricate detailing highlights his skill and passion for this unique art form. Next, today, we delve into the thrilling process of creating a life-size bald eagle chainsaw carving, marking the second time artist Paul Wacklow has brought this iconic bird to life through wood. This particular piece stands at an impressive 42 inches tall and 17 inches wide, making the eagle slightly larger than life. Its wings are spread wide, capturing the essence of an eagle soaring in mid-flight. The piece was meticulously carved from eastern white pine, a wood that Paul frequently works with. Sourced from the lush forests of Maine, the material lends itself beautifully to chainsaw carving, offering both durability and a smooth texture, ideal for intricate details like the feathers and facial expressions. From start to finish, this project required an immense level of skill, precision, and patience. Each sweep of the chainsaw had to be executed with care, as the process leaves little room for error. The detailed work on the feathers was particularly challenging, with Paul taking great care to ensure each quill looked as natural and lifelike as possible. Paul's passion for this art form shines through in the final product, with every curve and cut showcasing his talent. The Travilla Eagle stands as a testament to both his love of nature and his expertise in chainsaw carving, capturing a moment of awe-inspiring beauty.